Hey guys, it's Ed Dividend Guy. Just wanted to hit you up real quick with a news update. So Apple announced a couple days ago that it had a 4-for-1 stock split. So I wanted to jump right into that. So this is CNBC News. So Apple on Thursday announced that its fiscal third quarter earnings and the board of directors has approved a 4-for-1 stock split. Since Apple stock currently trades above $380, it means investors should expect to again have a chance to buy a share of Apple for around $100 a share, depending on where the stock trades at the end of August. The shares will be distributed to shareholders at the close of business on August 24th, and trading will begin on a split-adjusted basis on August 31st. So if you want to buy into Apple before the split, you have to do it before August 24th, and it won't actually be applicable to the stock until August 31st. So Apple Thursday announced in its fiscal third quarter earnings that blew out of the water, by the way, they did phenomenal, that the board of directors has approved a 4-for-1 stock split. That means for each share of Apple stock investors currently own, they will receive 3 additional shares. It also makes single shares of Apple more affordable for investors to buy. So really what they want to do is they want to put it at a price point where the regular average Joe should be able to afford it better. $100 is a lot easier to fork up than $400 is. It follows a similar move Apple made in 2014 when it offered a 7-to-1 stock split. At the time, Apple was trading above $600 per share. The split brought Apple shares back down to $92 a share. Stock splits are cosmetic and do not fundamentally change anything about the company other than the possibility of making shares more accessible to a larger number of investors because of their cheaper price. Since Apple stock currently trades above $380, it means investors should expect to again have a chance to buy a share of Apple for around $100 depending on the stock trades at the end of August. So this also means that the dividend will be split, but this is the 5th time a stock split has happened since Apple went public. The splits were 7-for-1 basis on June 9th, 2014, a 2-for-1 basis on February 28th, 2005, a 2-for-1 on February 21st, 2000, and a 2-for-1 in 1987. So they've done this 5 times. So this is not new for Apple. This is just a way for them to kind of adjust the stock price so more investors can get into it, which also means that the dividend will be cut. But keep in mind, it does nothing for the actual, doesn't mean anything for the company. So the company is still Apple. It's not selling any assets. It's not losing anything. Literally, it's just cutting the price down so more investors can get into the stock, because I'm sure they feel like it's not necessarily overpriced, but it's at a price point where smaller and newer investors struggle to get into the stock. $400 is a lot to ask for a single stock. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy the news. Hopefully some people get into Apple. I will be buying it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care.